Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Talk YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A17 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off screen lock unlocking sound in your phone Samsung Galaxy A17 5G while locking your phone using this lock button. Carefully listen. Use headphone to listen the sound. While unlocking also there is small tinny sound. If you like to turn off this sound, that is locking unlocking sound, just go to the settings of your phone first, then go to sounds and vibration, and here you will have system sound, and here just you go to turn off this button screen lock unlock, just to turn off so that this sound will not hearable when you press this locking button. See, now screen lock unlocking sound is not hearable. Okay, it is off. So in this way you can easily turn off or remove screen lock unlocking sound from your phone Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.